Hello and welcome to Mad Mike Makes, and this is kind of the conclusion to 3 videos that I made and put into a playlist quite some time ago, and I never really kind of followed up on the end product, which was a wine cellar. So the whole purpose of that playlist was really to demonstrate what you could do if you had a whole pile of offcuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to zip off quickly and go and have a look at the end product, the actual wine cellar. It's just a very short clip, and I'm actually going to be putting the link to that playlist at the end of this video. Okay, so here we are down in the cellar. That's been completed, and I'm going to have to do a couple of sweeps of the video at sort of different heights. The units right at the bottom are actually the units that were made in the previous 3 videos, and also the unit, I'll just pan up to the top, the unit up at the top over here was also made. The units in between were actually crates that were provided by the client at the time, so those weren't actually manufactured. They were put sort of straight into the wine cellar along with the other units. Now, as you can see, there were quite a lot of units made, and that in itself was an immense amount of work to machine all of those little bits. But it just goes to show what you can in fact do with potentially what could have been, a lot of offcut wood, essentially. It's going to pan up now, and those are the top units. I also have hidden lighting that I've sort of hidden away just underneath the counter. I'm not sure if you can see that sort of red glow, and I might in fact just do another video with the main lights off and just the LED strip lights on, so that you can sort of get to get the full feel of what I try to create in the wine cellar. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that you see through the series of videos that you can in fact build something quite big out of a whole lot of very small parts. Now, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to pop down into the comments and just leave me a comment or a question, and I will certainly get back to you on that. And I hope you enjoyed it and saw a lot of value in this, and I'll see you in the next video.